Hello students. So in this video I am going to talk about expectation. So in the last few videos you have already learned about random variables. So as I had told already in random variables that expectation, random variables, everything is linked. So let us study about mathematical expectation, or I'll call this as expectation. Okay, expectation is nothing but mean. So let us take the formula of expectation, or I'll write the formula of expectation. Expectation of x is summation of x into p of x. Remember this. E of x square would be x square into p of x. तो in short यहाँ पे जो भी होगा x that thing into p of x square होगा तो x square into p of x. If it is e of x cube, then it is summation of x cube into p of x. Okay, so as I told कि यहाँ पे जो भी होगा that thing into p of x और उसका summation. So this is in case of discrete random variables DRV. In case it is continuous random variable, so expectation of x would be, now I am using small x, it's one at the same thing, you could use small x or capital X. So minus infinity to infinity x fx. यहाँ पे fx आ जाता है पिक्चर में. This is minus infinity to infinity x square into fx. So everything remains the same. If summation gets replaced by integration and px by fx dx. Okay, so the concept remains the same, the idea remains the same. ओके अब वाई डू आई यूज एक्सपेक्टेशन, ये बहुत स्टूडेंट्स का डाउट होता है व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो एक्सपेक्टेशन इज बेसिकली ये सब है ना गैम्बलिंग टर्म्स है. बेसिकली सपोज आई एम बेटिंग फॉर 10 मैचेस, सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट आई विल विन इन ऑल द 10 मैचेस, राइट, ऑल द 10 बेट्स. तो क्या होता है, दे कैलकुलेट एक्सपेक्टेशन की ऑन एन एवरेज व्हाट आई विल अर्न, व्हाट आई विल विन. So on basis of that, I'll take a decision whether I should do the betting in 10 matches, or then I'll take expectation of maybe 5 matches. Okay, so accordingly we decide. So these are all like roulette game hai. Okay, so these are all terms related to gambling. Okay, so I'm not telling that expectation is used only in gambling. There are various other statistical models also where it is used. Okay, so now I'll talk about properties of expectation. So expectation of ax, a constant into x, is a expectation x. Expectation of ax plus minus by, I'll write. So I can write this as a expectation of x plus minus b expectation of y. Expectation of a constant is constant. Okay, ये कुछ properties है expectation के जो आपको याद करना है. Now if suppose here I have taken two variables, it could happen that there are multiple variables. So I'll write a generalized formula for it. Now I'll not use the words ax and by. I'll use x plus y plus z. So it is simply addition of all the means. As I had told that expectation is nothing but mean. Okay, ये आपको याद रखना है. Now then there is something called as variance, another term. वेरिएंस इज अ मेजर ऑफ बेसिकली डिस्पर्शन. तो ये आपके मीन से कितना डिविएट कर रहा है या मीन से कितना वेरी कर रहा है, इट गिव्स एन आइडिया ऑफ दैट. सो वेरिएंस यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड इन कोरिलेशन रिग्रेशन. सो वेरिएंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन इज रिटन एज e of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x square I have already calculated on top. It is x square into p of x, and e of x is also x into p of x. अब आपको नोटिस ये करना है कि इन दोनों में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. Okay, one is expectation of x square. This is x square into p of x if it is a discrete random variable. और ये x into p of x कैलकुलेट होने के बाद स्क्वेयरिंग होगा. Okay, so there is a lot of difference in the two. So don't try to mix it up or don't get confused in the two. So ये variance का एक formula आपको याद रखना है. Then I'll talk about properties of variance. Properties of variance. It is a square variance of x. So ax plus minus by. I'll write plus separately and minus separately for better understanding. So it is a square variance of x plus minus b square variance of y. So this would again be a square variance of variance of x plus b square variance of y. So whether it is plus or minus, बाहर हमेशा plus आएगा because वो square हो रहा है coefficient. Okay, and variance of a constant is 0. Expectation of a constant is constant, but variance of a constant is 0. So ये सब आपको याद रखना है, terms and formulas, because these will be directly useful in the sums. So if you are not comfortable with formulas, तो आपको sums में problem होगा. So yeah, this is all about expectation and variance, the formula part. And if it is a continuous random variable, you'll have to take integration. That I'll cover it in the problem solving only directly. So let us start with the problems. So the very first problem, a continuous random variable has the PDF defined by fx equal to a plus bx. Okay, where x is between 0 and 1. If the mean of the distribution, see यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, mean. Mean मतलब they have given me e of x. E of x is this. Okay, expectation दिया है and find a and b. See, there are two unknowns in this equation, a and b. A and b. दो unknown है तो दो equation बनने चाहिए. Yes, that is a basic principle. That is the fundamentals of maths. Okay. So two equation, two unknowns. So expectation to diya hai. Now what else do I use so that I get one more equation? Now in random variables you have studied one more property. Minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. Okay, ये आपने random variables में study किया है. But मेरा PDF is defined from 0 to 1. PDF is probability density function. So ax plus bx square by 2, 0 to 1. A plus b by 2, 2a plus b equal to 1. No, sorry. Okay, I'll write it here. So 2a plus b is equal to 2. ये एक part हुआ sum का. I'll solve the second part next to it. Now we know that expectation of x is 1/3. So minus infinity to infinity x into fx dx is 1/3. But my PDF is defined from 0 to 1 because यहाँ पे इन्होंने बोला है 0 से 1. See, it's given in the question. So x into a plus bx. A x square by 2, b x cube by 3. ये आएगा a by 2 plus b by 3. 0 पे 0 आएगा, so I am not putting 0. So 3a plus 2b. This goes on the other side. 2 goes on the other side. So we get, so this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So you can solve this on your calculators. So I'll multiply this equation by 2 and I'll subtract. Okay, I've written 4 here, this is 2. So 4a minus 3a gives me a. 2b and 2b gets cancelled. And 4 minus 2 gives me 2. So a is 2. Okay, and you can obviously solve this in your calcs. There's a direct mode, equation mode. Now I'll put a in the first equation. So I'll get the value of b. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Okay. I'll just check the answer in calculator. I am working on it. So it is 2, 1 and 2. 3, 2 and 2. Yeah, 2 and minus 2. Okay. और जिनको थोड़ा सॉल्विंग में डिफिकल्टी है दे कैन डायरेक्टली गो फॉर कैल्सी. सो आई हैव फाउंड ए एंड बी and I think you have to find A and B only. So I hope you all have understood the concept of expectation, the formulas, variance, and this problem would help you out in applying the formulas. So yeah, I'm done with this video and I'll be coming up with more problems in my next video. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye. Thank you.